Hallo Leute, grüß dich. Now we are doing Lektion 2, Feiern, was und wie. First few pages we have already done and now we will do in this video Kursbuch Seite Nummer 40 und 41. Geburtstagsfeier, birthday celebration, birthdays, parties. Wie feiert man den Geburtstag? How does one celebrate the birthday? Jeder macht eine Party, eine kleine oder große Party am Geburtstag. Es gibt Ballonen, Geburtstagskuchen, Essen, Getränke, Kerzen, interessante Partyspiele und Tanzmusik. Jeder macht viel Spaß am Geburtstag. Nicht nur Kinder, sondern auch Erwachsene machen oder feiern den Geburtstag ganz herzlich, ganz groß. Not only children, but also grown-ups celebrate their birthday very happily, isn't it? So everyone likes to celebrate the birthday, and we have seen the different type of vocabulary with respect on the topic of Geburtstagsfeier also in the earlier video. Now we will see further the different birthday rituals in different countries. Geburtstagsrituale in verschiedenen Ländern. Birthday rituals are not same in every country. They are different in different countries. For example, can you see the first two figures like star-like figures? Those are called as pinata. This pinata, with the help of this pinata is a colorful object made up of paper mash, and it is filled with sweets and whatever things children like. All sweets, fruits, things are filled in this pinata, and what the birthday child used to smash this pinata is usually hang at the tree or at a pillar high, and the birthday child used to smash this pinata with closed eyes. The eyes are closed, and that birthday child has to smash that pinata, and then all sweets, fruits fall down. And this is the birthday ritual celebrated in Mexico, Spain and Latin America. Isn't it interesting? Now we will see about China. Es gibt keinen Geburtstagskuchen in China. Es gibt keinen Geburtstagskuchen in China. Man mag Geburtstagsnudeln in China. They don't celebrate their birthday in China with birthday cake. They make lange Geburtstagsnudeln. They make long birthday noodles. And these noodles are specifically made long noodles on the occasion of birthdays. Isn't it interesting? Now let's see few more rituals of few more countries. Was ist das? Das ist ein Schlüssel. This is a key. And usually in South Africa, people get this key as a birthday gift on their 21st birthday. Something different, isn't it? Now, what is this girl holding in her hand? Oh, this is something called as Rote Umschläge. Rote Umschläge bedeutet red envelopes. And children used to get the Glücksgeld, that means money, in these red envelopes on their birthdays. But am Tet in Vietnam, they usually get the money am Tet. What is Tet? Tet is not actually birthday. They don't celebrate, people don't celebrate birthdays in Vietnam on their actually birthdays. They celebrate it on Tet. Tet is a New Year celebration. So whenever is the New Year celebration, on that day, they celebrate children's birthdays and they give money, Glücksgeld, to children. Isn't it interesting? So aren't all the rituals interesting for you? So now we will read one passage based on this. So everyone, open Kursbuch Seite Nummer 40. Aufgabe 2ca 1. Geburtstagsrituale die Welt. Birthday rituals throughout the world. Lesefesten. Lesefesten bedeutet Reading Comprehension. 2c1 Geburtstagsrituale die Welt. Jetzt lesen wir den Text. Now we will read this text. Überall auf der Welt ist der Geburtstag ein besonderer Tag. Overall in the world, the birthday is a very special day. Besonderer bedeutet special. An dem Tag ehren Familie und Freunde das Geburtstagskind. Total unabhängig vom Alter, Land und Tradition. On this day, family and friends honor the birthday child everywhere. Family and friends honor the birthday child irrespective of age, land and tradition. All people celebrate their birthday. Aber Geburtstagsrituale und Geburtstagswünsche sind ganz unterschiedlich. Unterschiedlich bedeutet verschieden. But birthday rituals and birthday wishes are absolutely different in different countries. So first we will read about Spanian, Latin America, Mexico. Feliz Cumpleaños sagt man in Spanien und Lateinamerika. In Mexiko und in anderen Ländern in Lateinamerika steht am Geburtstag die Pinata im Mittelpunkt. In Mittelpunkt stehen bedeutet stands as a center figure. That means in Mexico and in other countries in Latin America, on birthday this Pinata stands as a center figure. Die Pinata ist eine bunte Figur aus Pappmache. This pinata is a colorful object made up of paper mesh. Man füllt sie mit ganz vielen Süßigkeiten und Obst und hängt sie zum Beispiel an einem Baum oder Pfeiler auf. One fills this pinata with lots of sweets, fruits and hangs it, for example, on a tree or on a pillar. So kann man das Geburtstagskind zusammen mit den anderen Kindern mit verbundenen Augen auf die Pinata einschlagen, bis die Süßigkeiten und das Geld herausfallen. So that the birthday child, together with the other children with closed eyes or tied eyes, you can see in this picture also that that girl is a birthday child and her eyes are closed, her eyes are tied with a piece of cloth, and the birthday child has to smash that pinata till all sweets and all fruits fall down. You can see in the picture, the ritual will be clear to you, that this pinata is hanging and this girl, that means the birthday child, is smashing that pinata, and now when it will be smashed, all sweets, all fruits will fall down, and then they friends and she enjoy fruits and sweets. Now we will see about China. Zu Nisling Glykol A. Sagt man in China. How does one celebrate birthday in China? We will read now. In China gibt es nicht den klassischen Geburtstagskuchen, sondern Geburtstagsnudeln. In China, there are not classical birthday cake. There is not classical birthday cake, rather birthday noodles. Sie nennt man long life noodles. These birthday noodles are called as long life noodles in China. Man glaubt, sie bringen einen Unglück, wenn man an seinem Geburtstag keine Geburtstagsnudel isst. One thinks that it is unlucky or it brings unluck if one doesn't eat birthday noodles on birthday. Noodle stehen in China nämlich für Langlebigkeit. Daher sollten die Nudeln möglichst lang sein. Actually, in China, noodles are stand for long life, and that's why the noodle must be long enough, as long as possible on birthdays. Die steckt man in den Mund, aber beißt sie nicht vorher ab. One has to directly keep those noodles in the mouth. One is not allowed to cut those noodles earlier. Vorher bedeutet earlier and beißt bedeutet to cut. Along with this birthday noodles, there is one more famous ritual. The Elternstellen verschiedene Gegenstände. The parents keep different objects like coins, Münzen means coins, flowers or books on a table. The Kind darf etwas davon wählen. The child can pick up anything from that. The Auswahl means choice. Betrachten die Chinesen als die Zukunft von dem Kind. The Chinese people consider the choice as the future of the child. For example, when the skin Münzen wealth, if a child picks up the coins, later the child will get a good job and the child won't have any financial problem. Like this interpretation they usually have from this ritual. So these are two rituals from China. Now, next Seite, Kursbuch Seite Nummer 41. On that page, we will read about two more rituals of South Africa and Vietnam. Welsgelumet, whatever is that word, this word means happy birthday in South Africa. Sagt man in Südafrika. Am 21. Geburtstag bekommen Südafrikaner von ihren Eltern einen Schlüssel. On 21st birthday, South African youngsters get a key from their parents as a birthday gift. Dieser Schlüssel symbolisiert die Verantwortung von dem Geburtstagskind. This key symbolizes the responsibility given to that birthday child. Mit dem Schlüssel sollen Geburtstagskinder symbolisch die Tür zu ihrer Zukunft öffnen. With this key, it is symbolic or it is meant that birthday children should open the door of their future. So it is a symbolic, that key of the future. That's why they give the key on the 21st birthday, when the future or their career is going to start. Now, the same difficult word to pronounce, sagt man in Vietnam. That is happy birthday in Vietnam. In Vietnam sind die Sitten und Bräuche etwas anders. In Vietnam, are Sitten means actually customs and Bräuche bedeutet rituals. So, rituals and customs are little bit different. Der tatsächliche Geburtstag, the actual birthday, tatsächliche bedeutet actual birthday of a person, doesn't play any role, spielt keine große Rolle, doesn't play any role. Alle Geburtstage feiert man an Tate. All birthdays they celebrate on one day, that day is called as Tate. Das heißt an dem Neujahrstag, that means New Year Day. Oft wissen Vietnamesen nicht einmal ihren genauen Geburtstag. Often that's why they don't celebrate the birthday on specific days. That's why many Vietnam people don't remember their actual birthdays. Am Morgen von Tate means in the morning of Tate, on that New Year Day, the children often erhalten Kinder von ihren Eltern und anderen engen Verwandten und Freunden rote Umschläge. Children of the family get from their parents and other close, eng bedeutet close relatives and friends, red envelopes. Sie enthalten sogenanntes Glücksgeld. Enthalten means have or include. This envelopes have so-called luck money. So this is the money picture is also given currency there. Und wie feiert man den Geburtstag bei dir? Was sind die Rituale? And how does one celebrate birthday in your country? What are the customs for the same? So that you can tell in your own words how are the customs in your country. So this is the passage which we read about birthday rituals throughout the world. Now we will solve the exercise based on the same. Auf der gleichen Seite Nummer 41, Textarbeit. Aufgabe A. Sind die Aussagen richtig oder falsch? Korrigiere die falschen Aussagen. Are the statements richtig means right, correct or wrong, and correct the wrong statements? I will just read the statements and tell you if there is any difficult word. Nummer 1. Man feiert den Geburtstag nur von Kindern. Nur von Kindern bedeutet only of children. Nummer 2. Überall in der Welt sind Geburtstagsrituale fast gleich. Überall means throughout the world. Fast gleich means almost same. Nummer 3. In China backt man zum Geburtstag keinen Kuchen. Keinen bedeutet no cake. Backen is to bake. Nummer 4. Der Neujahrstag ist auch der Geburtstag von allen Vietnamesen. Okay, now you have to write for these 4 sentences richtig oder falsch, and whichever is false, you need to correct that statement. Aufgabe B. They have given, you have to fill up. Again says you have to fill up this table. They have given the object noodle, pinata, and schlussel, and book, and gel. And you have to write the country name. In which country these objects are important. Okay. And Aufgabe C. Schreibe den Satz richtig, achte auf die Rechtschreibung. Write the sentence correctly along with correct punctuation marks. Rechtschreibung is punctuation mark. They have given it all together. You have to write those sentences correctly with correct punctuation marks, as well as if it is a noun, first letter should be capital in German. So you solve this exercise, and in our live class we will discuss the answers of the same.